It's your boy Kelvin. Welcome to my channel. I'm making a lot of drum contents for you guys, and trust me, you don't want to miss any of it. So go ahead, smash that subscribe button. Yes, happy new year. 2024 is a year of prosperity, and I want you guys to come along with me on my journey to be prosperous, guys. I wish that on you guys as well. So let's get to today's video. Now in this video, I'm going to be talking about my pursuit for these specific cymbals, what led me to even look them up, and the inspiration that I had, you know, going along and researching in order to acquire these specific cymbals. Now, so join me on my journey, guys. I will just say one thing. What inspired me to go on this journey is these specific cymbals. I'm going to put an image on the screen right now. These cymbals are so amazing, guys. Like amazing. They're dry, they're articulative, and they just don't get in the way, guys. They speak and they get out, and it's so controlled. Now, I say that because I'm not a typical drummer, guys. I don't play rim shots. I don't like my drums to be overly loud. Damn! I don't like large cymbals. I don't like large drums. I like more of a compact set, and that's just my perspective, right? Now, that doesn't make me a bad drummer per se, but those are just things that I like. So my encouragement to you guys is, to the musicians you follow, right? Like, don't get so narrow-minded and box people into one specific way. Everyone is different in a unique way. It doesn't mean they're any better or, you know, less than the people out there, right? So just support everyone in general. That's my little two cents, right? All right. That being said, I love these specific cymbals, the Apollo series, and I even know that these have been around for so long.
The Big and Ugly range were originally introduced in 2015 to offer players something a little different from the norm that you got from Sabian.
So I just kind of, you know, discovered that now, and I wanted to really look into diving into the hi-hats, because like I said, don't like my drums to be overly loud, especially my cymbals and so on. So I really want to narrow down my sound, and especially when I use my mics to record, I wanted to capture the best possible sound that it can do given the equipment that I have. So those are all my reasons for doing this, right? And I was able to do some research as well, looking into Kijiji to acquire these cymbals a little bit cheaper than if I was to buy them new. So that's another tip for you guys. Look into Kijiji, eBay, all these sites, you know, to acquire equipment that you would have probably acquired for full price, but you get them a little cheaper. So shout outs to Jay. I'm about to drive all the way to Barrie, Ontario, which is about an hour, to acquire these cymbals. So come along with me on this journey. Let's get it. Let's go. Alright guys, so I just made it to Barrie. Man, I am so stoked. I cannot wait to meet up with Jay and pick up this hi-hats. I am so excited, and I want to take you guys for the ride. So let's go get them. Guys, I did it right here. 14 inches AA Apollo hats. I can't wait to take this home, give it a test run, give it a listen. Let's get it, baby. Wow guys, so I'm back in the studio. I feel so excited to try these hi-hats, but I don't want to rush and do that because, like I said earlier, this is a year of continued growth. and I gotta do it right. So my next video, I'm gonna try these hi-hats along with my 2 other hi-hats just for comparison. And you know, stay tuned for that video, because that's a video that I promise you don't want to miss. So go ahead guys, subscribe, like this video, tell me what you think of this video, tell me what you think of these hi-hats, especially if you've tried them. I want to hear in the comment section. Alright guys, until the next one, we're out.